Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a haircut on Schedule 1. So next to the laundromat, there is a barber shop. You're just going to enter and you're going to talk to Anna. Select I'd like a haircut and then you'll be teleported here. You can change your hairstyle here. There's a bunch of options you can choose from. There's just a lot. To buy, just like buy, and to change your hair color, just like hair color, and select the color that you want and just press apply. I don't think you need to purchase anything, but I'm not going to apply though because I want my hair to be still the same color. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.